Guys, I just found this so dumb game. I was looking for a game, but then I just found this. I started playing a little bit. I started playing some games. They were kinda dumb, but look. Oh, come on. They're actually really hard. And that dog is like a little Indian dog. Okay, this. Oh, that hit my throat so bad. Nice. Yay, good. Okay, bye. Oh, no. Bye. One more thing. Let's dash. That was. Okay, next game. Wait, you like my cat? Here, cat. I also saw this game. It's called Square Bird. Sorry, I want to know this. Ah! Oopsies. What's happening? Me phone glitch. Ah! Yay! And then he just smashes all his eggs with his. What this? Why it keep glitching? Come on. By the way, Alex, if you're watching this, I will add you on Discord, but I can't right now because my dad's in Galway. And I have his account because my dad didn't make me my own account yet. But I wanted to comment and like message people. So when he comes back home, he puts in his passwords and email, or he will put in or he'll make me my own account and email. Then I will add you, okay? Those what? Ah! Ooh. Nope. I love like in games they like say, "What this?" Oh, when I talk, it hurts my throat so bad. Oh. In games they're like, "Sorry, no, no, I don't want to." Like, and you just don't want to, and you just say, "No, I don't want to," and without saying sorry, and they just like force you to say sorry. Get 3 eggs.
Hi, are you Sarah?
Yay, 3 more coins. Did I get the prize? Yeah, I got the prize. I'm gonna watch another ad, so let me pause. Yay. I opened all of them. Just watching ads. I got a new chicken. I got a new chicken. Select. Oh. I want to be Spider-Man. Let me just select. Yay. Spider bird does whatever a spider bird can. Ah! Not does. Ooh, can I revive? Let me just. Revive me, Spider-Man. Just laying his eggs and make them fall into the abyss. Look who I just got. What kind of eggs does he lay? Are those like mirrors or something? He's shooting like out of his nose. Nope. I just smashed my head. That hurt. Ooh, that must hurt.
Hi, are you Sarah?
I revived myself. Whew. Next. Copyright. Perfect. What else? Weep, weep, weep. I'm really greedy, so I just want to get those. Yeah, I got 3 more coins. What the? Nah. Well, how did I just grow so much eggs and just disappear them like forced? Ah! Let me just pause this so I can revive myself. Yay, more! I revived myself. Perfect. Not perfect. I don't want to revive. I'm tired of ads. Ah! Ooh. Come on! I knew I was gonna die. I was like, wait, am I 2 blocks high? I hate that. You forgot that was an ad and I forgot I was recording. Yay! I got fever. And my fever is laying eggs that are white, have lines on it. That looks like they're painted and have invisible frames on them. Nah. By the way, also there's this game called Merge TV, and when you don't, you can play it if you don't have money on your phone, you can play with Wi-Fi, so you can't load any ads. But it says, sorry, couldn't load ad. I didn't want to give you an ad. But that's just when I see that, I'm like, oh my god, that's so funny. I want to get this vampy bird. Look what I just got. Laying black eggs. Is that racist? Ow! Ah! I'm the queen. Whew. Weep, 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 weep. What a fever! And it definitely helped me. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, nice. I hate these ads. Like, you get so much panicked when you see an ad. You're like, oh no. You gotta press like that little button right here that I just pressed. And press the pause button so fast. I just hate that. His cape is like the tiniest cape ever. Imagine that was Dracula. Dracula laying eggs when he attacks someone. Dracula. Oh my god, I just finished this level. Look. Oh my god. No. Hey. Just shooting white stuff. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna revive myself. I just revived myself. Yay. I am the winner. This one, this one, this one. This one. Get 3 eggs. Don't mind. Yay! Let me go here. Where's the Hulk? Where's the... Oh! Hulky chicken. Wait. Okay. That can happen? Okay. I now know what to do. Ah! Sorry. Demonetization. Woo! Close. Demonetization. Oh wow, that's perfect. Yeah. Demonetization. Really? Tap to start. I now. Oh, there's so much new levels here. How much have I been recording? 30 minutes? Okay. 30 minutes. Perfect. Not perfect. New game. Guys, I just want to download this game. You laugh, you lose, and it says Peggy 12. I'm 9 years old. Ah, who cares? Alex, I will add you on Discord. See, I have Discord. But I need to log in. But I don't know my dad's email or password. Okay? I'm just waiting for him to come. Bye. New game. Laugh, you laugh, you lose. Peggy 12. I don't care. I tap to play. Ah! Okay, let me see. That's kind of funny. Right, next. When you take your car, I haven't. Okay, I don't care. When you take your Nah, I didn't laugh. I've been having dreams. Jumping on the trampoline. I wanna fly. You laugh, you lose. Well, that was fun. I hope. Oh, okay. Next. The magic, you laugh, you lose. Oh, there's. Oh my god, I laughed. Oh my god, they're encaged. They want to feel that. This chair, you laugh, you lose. Oh, I saw this. This is not funny at all. Oh, what? Why I press laugh? Come on. Oh, damn it. I mean, was that Kobe? Kind of left. You didn't hear. I was like. Next. Beer on the board.
He needs a beer. Throw him a beer. Oh! Oh!
Kobe, again. I didn't laugh. Next. Oh man, you laugh, you lose. When old people learn from their sister that's 2 years old, like me, and like my brother, who is 28. I've been having dreams, dumping on the trampoline. Ow! Ow, Vish, go away. Stop seeing this ad. Ad covered. Oh, thank you. Bye. Now I only said ad closed by.
What's that?
I was born a man.
What?
I mean, I'm still a woman.
No, you
It's
a
a big
man.
difference.
No. Pick me. Oh, I saw this one. Dun dun dun. Okay. Well, I guess. Well, I guess the weirdest game of all was this. By the way, I was recording when I just started this game, but I may have accidentally pressed this and then pressed the square, and that stops the recording. I may have done that. Sorry. There's like what? That's like the weird. He a poo can poop. What? Lab. Shelf. Okay, good. I don't have any. Oh my god, it's so energized. Oh my god. Oh, he has bubbles. What do you buy? Eat. He finally eats bacon. He likes eggs more. He doesn't. Wait a minute. Is that my dad? It was not my dad. I wish Sean I could add you. I thought he came so I can add you. Well, this is definitely the most. Wait, what? Bedroom? Wait, micro? Wait, what does that do? Yeah, I'm having dumplings for. Yeah, I'm having dumplings for. I forgot what lunch means. Yeah, eating my lunch. Wait, 3 seconds to get. Okay, I guess let me go back to the house. He won't be able to sleep because he has full. But bye. Well, I guess enjoy my cat for 1 minute. One. What the? I'm gonna ask you something. Hein, what? Hein? Okay. Bye. Hope you enjoy my cat. Oh no, that was the wrong one. Wait, did I just delete the whole thing? No, I just didn't. I was recording for like 18 minutes. Oh, sorry guys, forgot to start recording. So embarrassing. Oh no. Sub to me, please. Oopsies.